Welcome back to Pre-This, your vibe with Cosmarina, right here in the streets of Ligonny, St. Andrew, Kingston, Jamaica. And of course, right now we're going to get straight into Caribbean Buzz. Yeah, man, this is the segment where we're going to bust little Caribbean artists out there. I didn't mean little, I mean like big Caribbean artists, yes? We're going to bust the Caribbean artists out there because our Caribbean viewers, they've been emailing us and sending us a little bit feedback and comments, and I want to hear more from the rest of the Caribbean. Of course, we're going to deliver it right here to you guys, right here on Pre-This. Now listen to the latest buzz. Mad.
Inside the Caribbean Buzz for this week, Trinidadian soca artist Sherwin Winchester recently teamed up with Jamaican dancehall artist Popcorn for a remix of the soca track called Shorty. 6 years ago, Winchester won both the Power and the Groovy Soca Monarch titles in Trinidad and Tobago's Carnival. Trini soca band Kez the Band was recently nominated for a Soul Train Music Award in the US for the hit single Whatless. Now the band has released a new single called Come Play a Mass. The track was produced by Madmen producers. Jamaican dancehall artist Busy Signal is heading to the Caribbean for a number of performances. On February 3, Dominica fans, look out because Busy will be at the Crazy Coconut venue. Grenada fans, you will get a chance to hear Busy Signal perform his hit singles in your country on February 11. The 2012 staging of the St. Lucia Jazz Festival will run from May 5 to May 13 at the Pigeon Island in St. Lucia. Antiguan soca band LA Crew, best known for their 2007 hit single Exposed, has released a video for their new single called Climax. The video was directed by noted Caribbean video director Nigel Thompson. American R&B singer John Legend will perform his well-known hits including Ordinary People on Friday, February 3rd in Grand Cayman at the Camana Bay. Also on the lineup is R&B singer Bobby Valentino and Cayman recording artists Jeffrey Wilson and Stuart Wilson. And that's it for the Caribbean Buzz for this week. My name is Kevin Jackson. I'm out.
And still on the Caribbean, let's check in with this week's Antiguan soca artist, Tian Winter, who won a competition in 2009 called Groovy Soca Monarch. Of course, it's all about the Caribbean flavor right here on Pre-This. Tian Winter, crash. Take it away.
Just let me crash in your bumper, crash in your bumper. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Walk up the structure, walk up the structure. Can you handle it? Just let me crash in your bumper, crash in your bumper. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Walk up the structure, walk up the structure. Can you handle it? I got it on for you. Want you so bad, don't know what to do. Give it to me, let me show you. I can tear it up, I'll burn it up. Action speak louder than words, but a little bit of body muffle up enough curves. Mash up my brains and my nerves, it's only you, girl. It's all about you, baby. Do what you do the best. Take control, my lady, and I will do the rest. It's all about you, baby. Take control, my lady. Yeah. Just let me crash in your bumper, crash in your bumper. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Walk up the structure, walk up the structure. Can you handle it? Just let me crash in your bumper, crash in your bumper. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Walk up the structure, walk up the structure. Can you handle it? Girl, only you can set my soul on fire. Only you. You got a wine that my heart desire. Only you. Got a bumper where roll like thunder. Only you.
Hey, we still have talent on the rise and the Lime Top 10 Singles chart right here on Pre-This, so you don't want to go anywhere. You have to stay tuned to Pre-This. Hold on there. What you saying to me? We're so forward.